How to log in into ATT email. Hi everyone, this is Kate and welcome back to our channel. And on today's video, we will learn how we can log in into ATT email. So without further delay, let's get started with this video. First of all, open up a browser and in the search bar, type in att.net. Search for it. Wait for a while, that's gonna take you to the official website. Now to sign in, navigate to top right corner, click on the sign in button. Now you are taken into the sign in page. First of all, you have to enter your user ID that is associated with your account. Make sure you type in your correct user ID. In case if you forgot your user ID, there is a link right here that says forget user ID. Click on it and that's gonna help you recover your account. Enter your user ID and then click on continue. And in the next prompt, you'll be asked to enter your password. If prompted, enter your correct password that is associated with your account, and after that click on login or OK to get access to your account. So that's how you can log in into ATT email, and that's all for today's video. Hope this video was helpful, and if you are new to our channel, consider subscribing. Thanks for watching and stay tuned for more videos.